I'm Michelle Pelton, and this is my dog, Spinderella. I contacted the Refined Canine. I saw it advertised on the trucks. I decided that it was time to get her trained.
Michelle called me whenever she was noticing a lot of behavioral problems in Spinderella. She originally told me that she was really aggressive with new people coming into the house, aggressive with dogs. She was just very nervous around new people, and she was acting out because she didn't know how to greet new people and how to greet new dogs. In the evaluation, we discussed what Michelle's ultimate goals were, and she wanted her to be polite around other people and polite around other dogs.
Just to have a better personality, and I would know how to work with her better so that I could be a better pet owner. She could have a better life because of it.
I decided that Board and Train program would be the best program for her, just because she was having so many issues with her, and Michelle was very nervous with her.
She goes away off to boarding school, that's what I called it, and they work one-on-one. It's more intense training where she's interacted with other dogs and other people so she can learn how to be a better member of society.
During the Board and Train program, she played with my dog, she met a ton of new people, and we exposed her to a lot of different situations, so she was more confident in new situations.
She's done one-on-one training, she's done in-house training, she's been integrated with other dogs, and I've seen a big change in her. I don't know what I would have done without the Refined Canine. Samantha has been wonderful. I never thought that I would be able to have somebody walk into my house without her lunging at the door. She'll sit and stay and let me approach the door and, deal with whoever I have to deal with at the door.
The difference I've seen in Spinderella is she's so much more confident. She's so much more relaxed and happy because she knows that her mom has everything under control. She doesn't have to worry about other dogs, other people. She knows that now they're friendly and they're not a threat. So she's much more happy and she's much more confident.
I can walk her through the park without her getting aggressive or growling. I let her out in my backyard. There's animals all around where I live. She doesn't go at the fence. She's not aggressive. I never thought that she would be this well behaved. Not in a million years. I would absolutely recommend the Refined Canine for any dog. This is my best friend. Come, heel, heel. Sit.